Welcome back to another segment of You're Doing It Wrong! So this is our segment where we try to show you something that we found online that is easier or a different way than what you're normally doing.
Almost like a life hack. So last time we did can openers, Rob showed us the right way to use a can opener. I'm still doing it the old way.
And please know that when we say the right way, we mean the right way.
Yeah.
Doesn't have. We do have cardboard Christine, so Christine... It's actually Alessia Cara.
We do kind of...
But if Christine gets too mouthy... So today, Christine wanted to feel like she was a part of this.
I do. I want to show you that I'm smarter.
So what do you have? You brought in cheese?
I brought a cheese grater. You're doing it wrong. Don't forget infomercial voice.
Oh, I know. Okay, so you're doing it wrong. Let's find out right now how to do it right with the cheese grater. What do you mean we're doing it wrong, Christine?
Well, Rob, why don't you show us how you use a cheese grater? Which really, are you using cheese?
I don't eat cheese.
Hey, I washed that.
Okay, so if I'm using the cheese grater, I first take it out of the drawer and I go because it looks like a cowbell.
There's no bell.
And then everybody looks at me and goes, "Just grate the damn cheese."
All right,
so then
show us.
I do
how
this.
would you grate it?
I would do like this. I don't know. Again, can I break a little cheese off?
Yeah, do it from the front so everyone can see.
Oh, I do it like this.
Do you make that face too?
Eye contact.
You're doing the whole thing wrong, Rob.
But look how great that is. It's ready for tacos or anything.
Grated.
Well.
Is it grated?
No, look how grated.
Oh! Damn it! Try again!
You missed a dad joke!
Look how grated that cheese is!
That's so funny.
Alright, so this
Can't believe you missed out on your own dad joke.
This is the wrong way.
That is the wrong way. So, see how you just made a mess? Look what you just did.
Yeah, there's cheese all over the counter now. And that's the thing. And now my kids are going to come in and they're going to be like, "Papa, we want cheese!" Look, now it's smashed in.
Are you drunk today?
I'm not. I'm trying to be very, I'm being very infomercial.
Like the ShamWow guy.
Exactly. ShamWow! We're doing it wrong.
Rob's doing it wrong.
So, show us the...
This is the right way. I'm gonna make it, thicker cheese.
That's how all the guys like it.
So this is, you lay it on its side.
Now, why are you laying it on its side rather than standing it up?
I'll show you, Rob. Be patient.
Is that your infomercial voice?
That's the #1 thing I've always been told I'm not patient
Look,
enough.
do you see? The cheese is in here. No mess. Grab a plate. Voila.
That's just dumb. So, couldn't you just do this, though? Like, seriously.
You're ruining this. And you got cheese everywhere. Do you want to try the right way? The correct way?
I'm going to do mine small again. I'm a small kind of guy.
No comment.
Okay, so we do it like this.
Uh-huh. Look at that. See? You can see it. Pretty. Now we're just full of cheese. So, I think it worked great. Look at the mess Rob made. Look how clean I was. See, this is the thing. I feel like graters are a little bougie.
Yeah.
Block cheese does this still count as bougie even though I got it from the dollar store?
Well, no, because it's American cheddar. Like if you would have bought like
sharp cheddar. Calm down.
Sorry.
We don't need American up in
here.
I'm
sorry. You are a little bougie then.
Is Cardboard Christine about to come out?
Get out of the way. So here's my real thing. To me, you're doing it wrong. Is this all together? Just buy a bag of it already done.
Shredded cheese.
Yes! You can get like a mix. You can get a Mexican mix if you're doing tacos.
But you know how sometimes there's those blocks of cheese that you don't find in the shredded kind? That's where this would come in handy.
No, because again, I don't eat cheese.
So since we need the video views, do you want to grate cheese into my mouth? Someone will be into it, right?
I feel like let's do this. Here we go, here we go. If you want to keep paying $9.99, I will do this for the next 30 minutes.
Oh, I thought you were... my hair? Now I have to wash it tonight.
Oh my god. Now we have a mess. So, we've done it all wrong in here, to be honest with you. We might actually get fired after this is over. But
you just sprinkled cheese on my hair. I wanted to go another day without washing it.
This is what she'll look like tomorrow. There's how you grate cheese if you still grate cheese. Like I said, though, why don't... It's not grate.
I have cheese
it's
on my
grate.
nose.
This is how you grate cheese. I'm saying it wrong. Everything about this is you're doing it wrong. So just buy it in a bag. Make it easy.
Yeah.
This was great, Christine.
Grated.
Oh, I can't wait to find out what our next You're Doing It Wrong will be.
Stick around. We'll let you know soon.
In the meantime, I'm going to eat this cheese.
What? Is this like cheese confetti?
I got the vacuum. I can't believe I'm about to vacuum at work. Somebody needs to wife me.
I got you all worked up.
You got me all worked up because you made me work. I actually had to work for my cheese. I don't do that. Like, usually just tear the bag over, we're good to go.
You hear that, boss? He doesn't work for the cheese. He just acts like he does.
That's true. Just walk fast. You're fine.